Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So you've got two ways to do it. The first one is to open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got the all info, including both IMEI and serial number right here. To exit, just tap on OK. And also, if the secret code somehow is not working, you can reach those numbers via settings. So at first, open the settings, then find and select About Phone at the bottom of the list, and right here you've got all that info, so serial number and both IMEI numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.